Yo, what's up, world? So today I want to show you how you can set up your Shopify store here in Kenya, and I hope it will be helpful. Yeah, so let's jump right into it. This is how you set up your Shopify store. As you can see in the Shopify store, they have a 3-month offer that provides that for $1 per month for 3 months and a free trial. So let's jump right into it. Let's sign up now. Let's say that we are just starting out because this is our first store, and let's click on next. I want to sell online and in person and an online marketplace and social media. Let's go through that: Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Pinterest. Next, I want to sell on Etsy, Google, and eBay. Okay, so next we want to sell. I buy the products myself. This will be for shirts, dropshipping, and print-on-demand services. Let's click on next. The name of the store, because it's the store for my community, I'll name it Power Programs. Then I click on next. It's setting it up. Then I continue with my Gmail account. It will redirect me in a minute where I can sign up Gmail. I have already set up a new email for the business. It will be brandboost254@gmail.com. It's building our store. And by the way, guys, if you want to build a Shopify store, sign up with my link, and I will help you set up the Shopify store for free, and just assisting you where you need help. So if you want to do that, reach out to me and leave in the comment section your email. I'll text you. You'll find the link to my Shopify affiliate right in the description, so make sure to check it. For 3 months, $1 per month. That is a really great offer. So it says my trial just started, yet my trial ends on 10th July. Let me select a plan. Which plan am I going to go with? The basic plan, where I can set up the one for $24 a month. Let me go with that, and I chose basic. I do not need a POS. I need a POS Lite. It's free. I'll be paying monthly. I have set up my email and stuff. Then I want to pay via my credit card. So I want to be charged until 10th July. I have added my card. Let me subscribe. I have chosen the basic plan. Let me read the question. How did you hear about us? Since you'll be hearing them about me, from me, you can put friend or colleague, submit. Then let's jump right in. The first stuff that you always do is to find a product. So let me find a product. In fact, I already did. I want to be selling watches, so let me go to that. Not adding, but actually find a product to sell. So this is like an example product. I'm not saying that you sell this. I'm just showing you how to set up a shop. How to set up a shop and display it on your domain. This is just an example. I can make a full tutorial on how to make a good shop. Let's find that the AliExpress dropshipper. We add the app there's a free plan available for 14 days, so that is okay. Another app we need while setting up dropshipping in Kenya is Intersend. Let's start the free plan. AliExpress. So let's find our product. Let's search for supplier. We view the winning products in US. Let's see, we'll find a good product. Let's check them out in Brazil. In the EU. So we're just finding any product, but personally I like watches. So let me look for where I can get watches. The high profit. Okay, so there's none. We'll just look for anything that looks good, Yeah, here's a watch that I can buy. I need to add it to the import list. After it has been added, I go to the list to check and make sure to sign up using my affiliate link, and you'll get 3 months free, as in a free trial, and for the next 3 months you'll be paying $1, and that is really awesome. Yeah, now let me push this watch to my Shopify store and also publish the online store. So I push to Shopify. I don't need to import the reviews today. So let's go back to Shopify and customize the theme. I already chose a different theme because I like Ride and it's only one product we are selling. So let's customize that and see if it has been added to the Shopify. So it's downloading. I need to change the pictures over here and the menu. I don't need all these navigations. I only need the home page and I'll take that out. Meanwhile, let me start this. I change the picture and over here on this section I select an image. I have some images on my laptop that you can use. Let me just add them. Let's use this. This is just an example of how you can set up. You can reach out to me via my website or any of the social media platforms I have provided on the description of the video and on the channel. So make sure to reach out to me and I'll help you set it up. What you want to change next is the wording over here. Welcome to the exquisite world of luxury watches. And then we reduce the font to medium. No, let's just do to small. And then let's change the call to action button to be, instead of shop. No. Let's go back home. Then change this button to join the community. Then we save this so that it doesn't get lost. How you saved it, we come. How about the footer? The footer is okay. And then our product. Yeah, so here's our product if you want to look at it. Okay, let's do this. It's already published now. So we can preview it on the phone This is just a sketch of how you can make the website. But when you check my website next and have the complete shop where I'll be selling my merch. Yeah, so I think that's good for now. Let's exit. It says our shop is password protected. No worries. Now let's go back home and finish setting up the shop. I can add my domain at the moment. Let me continue this domain. I'll make a tutorial on how you can connect your domain. This is okay. Let me continue using that. Yeah. Okay. Let's go to the next. We configure sales channel. Okay, let me just show you how to add a payment processing. Let's go to store details and finish setting up the store. It accepts in Kenya shillings. Okay, these are all okay. Then we go to the apps. We had already searched for Intersend. So we go to Intersend. Let's get there. It will show us how to set up. Go to the documentation, developers API, Shopify, how to integrate Shopify. It will take us to this link, app.shopify.com/intersend payment. Then we add the app to our store. When you click on that, it will send an out request to our shop, and yeah, it will bring us to our shop. Have a look. So we install the app. After installation, we complete the setup. Then we put our phone number, and then you click here to get a publishable key. Then you verify you're not a robot. Then you click next. I have received the code. Let's go on. I don't need to be verified at the moment. Let me get the API key. You go to settings, then API key. Yeah, I've gotten the API key. Let me copy this. This is the public key, the publishable key. I will hide it. And then the API token will send it will generate. Let me generate it. For security reasons, they'll only show it once by the way, so you need to save it properly. Remember that, guys. And I submit. So let me activate it while enabling test mode. I activate Intersend and it's done. Let me go back here. So the providers are Intersend, which takes a 2% transaction fee. No worries. Then the store details are correct. Let us look at our store detail. Let's try and check out. It requires 13 shillings. I'll teach you how to set up the prices. Look at the images, very classic images. Yeah, so let me buy this now. It will take me to the Intersend, my checkout page. Let me put all this, my email address. Shipping is free. I have said free, so I'm not sure. Let's check out Intersend. We want to pay via Intersend, so no worries. I click pay now. and it says my order is being processed, and it sends me to the InterSend checkout page where I can pay via M-Pesa. Yeah, pay test shop, as you can see. Or do I want to pay via Express? Yeah, so 72 is my number. It's processing, and let me take a minute to accept it on my end. It's done, and it directed me back to my page, and it said, "Thank you, Pavin. Your order is confirmed. You'll receive with your order number shortly." Yeah, so it's done. That's how you set up your Shopify shop in Kenya. If you want to sign up for Shopify, you can reach out to me. Remember, comment if you enjoyed this video and tell me on my website what I need to change. The next thing, if you want to set up a Shopify, make sure to sign up using my link, and you'll get a free trial and 3 months for $1 here in Kenya, that is awesome, for $1 every month. And also sign up for my InterSend using my link, and reach out to me if you'd like me to help you make your shop. And the first 10 people, I'll be doing it for free. Have a great day, guys. Sinjibambe.